Okay, so I, Brandon Joseph, took it upon myself to start an excursion to go to Elias's house because I'm sick and tired of being in the house, so I need to do something. And I thought I would be the only person who would be doing this. However, I now realize that when I walked out of my door, there was a man riding a bike down the street. And yeah, there's a couple people ahead of me. This car's actually going. Jamie said they lifted the parking ban at 4 o'clock, pulling a nollie. And yeah, I'll keep you updated on this walk because I don't know how good these streets are, and I probably shouldn't be paying attention to the camera as opposed to paying attention to the road. Okay, goodbye.